do not apply. Shake that money maker. Show 'em what you made of.
Today I'm going to be transforming my hair into a high bun. If you ever wanted to do this style right here, I'll show you right here, this birthday style that all the girlies do for like weddings, proms, birthdays. And you always felt like, well, I don't have enough money to buy like a whole lace frontal. Funds are low, I can't afford it. You know what I mean? And I just want something really quick and easy. This is your go-to. It's affordable and it's quick and it's easy. To her. So this is how it comes in. It comes in this little thing right here. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys probably have worn this before or wore something like this. It's just like an added on hairpiece, synthetic wise. So this is the bun part. That's how the back would look. And this is the front part. And that's the little lace that you're gonna lay down, and that's the two pieces in the front. So everything kind of like connects, and I'll show you guys that obviously when I install it. But I want to show you guys, this is how it looks. I like it, it's really fabulous. Before I install this, I do need to prep my hair. I can't just throw it on my head. I have to make sure my hair is similar to this texture, because if not, it will look very strange. And my hair is relaxed, but like I said, I do believe I need like a touch up, maybe in a week or so. But I did wash it last week. I rolled it with I did my own hair. I got my dryer here. If you can see that, I got my dryer here. So I literally do my own hair in my house, which I am like super proud of. So anyway, what I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna start blow drying it. Just blow drying it really, really straight to make sure all the, kinks and everything is out. I'm going to brush it up, use some product, spray. So I'm gonna show you how I do all of that right now.
Shake that money maker. Show 'em what you made of. I'm my mama child, so the body and the face cold. Make a shoot a shot like a. Don't come to me as a woman, cause I play slow. I don't care about a what he's made. Top 3 got 'em all on me. Can't catch me cause I stay low key. Body shots like 1, 2, 3. You know how the bad with me. Shake that money maker. Show 'em what you made of. Shake that money maker. Show 'em what you made of. Show 'em what you made of. Show 'em what you made of. I'm my mama child, so the body and the face cold. Make a shoot a shot like a. Don't come to me as a woman, cause I play slow. I don't care about a he's made. I don't care about a boy he's made. I don't care about a boy he's made. Shake that money maker. Show 'em what you made of. Shake that money maker. Show 'em what you made of.
This is the finished look, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is how it came out. I'm gonna look down. Look at the parting. Look at the curls. I did take out like a little bit of curls on the side, just to make it look a little bit, realistic. A little bit of curls coming out, but it's really, really pretty. I really, really, really like it. Hopefully you guys can see the back. This is how it looks from the back. From the side, the other side. I really, really like it. I think it's just super cute, super simple, super easy to install if you have a wedding to go to, it's your birthday, you have any special occasion to go to, and you really just can't afford a frontal, or maybe you just don't want a frontal, maybe you don't trust frontals, because some people are like that. I know my mom is. Hey mom. And you just want something to just clip it and go. I feel like this is the hair. Just make sure you prep your real hair. Make sure it's brushed up, it's blown out, it's nice so it can, you know, really try to match the texture of the piece. This is synthetic, so it's not gonna match exactly because it is synthetic. But this is just for the girlies on a budget. If you really want it to like really match your hair texture, definitely invest in some human hair. Get it installed with the frontal, or you can just add the pieces to the front. But this is the synthetic version. I just want to share this with you guys. So pretty. Let me know what you think below about this hair. Did I slay it? Did I really do it up? Like, let me know below, because it's really given and I'm really like feeling so fabulous. And now I can't wait to go celebrate my birthday. Today is not my birthday. My birthday was April 6th, but due to a lot of personal reasons, you know, my sister not being here. I said personal reasons and I told you anyway, because I tell you everything. But due to my sister who's on my arm, by the way, I don't know if I showed you guys this. Due to my sister, this is my first birthday without her, so it's it was very emotional for me, because she celebrated my birthday for 35 years. I'm 36 years young. She celebrated my birthday with me for 35 years, and I did not know what to do. I didn't know where to go. I didn't know what to do. It was just weird. So I said, I don't want to celebrate. I didn't go out to dinner. I didn't do anything. I wanted to wait a few weeks after to see how I felt. And I said, you know what? I did buy a dress. I did buy, you know, shoes. So let me just at least film a video of what I would have worn if I would have went out. But I didn't go out. I'm not going out. This is literally just for here, and that's it. I just don't have the energy and the strength right now to do it. It just feels so strange celebrating without her. We've never not celebrated our birthdays together. It's hard. But I'm dealing with that, and I'm taking it day by day. Grief is not easy, but I'm trying to push through it, because to think of my whole life without her is just, I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching. This would have been my birthday look if I would have went out anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.